Aqeedatul Muslim. What is Aqeedah? Those beliefs that are firmly established in one's heart, leaving no space for doubt or uncertainty. There are 5 pillars of Islam: shahadah, salat, zakat, sawm and hajj. Number 1, shahadah, is to say ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah and Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Number 2, salat, is to establish the prayer 5 times daily. Number 3, zakat, is to pay mandatory charity to the poor. Number 4, sawm, fasting during the month of Ramadan. Number 5, hajj, is to perform pilgrimage to Mecca for whoever is able to do so.